Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm actually really excited. I'm going to share a few items that I picked up from HomeGoods. It was not one trip. It was one, two, maybe four, possibly 5 trips that I was just finding little things here and there. So now I'm able to do like a pretty big haul. I do feel like HomeGoods is getting back to being the old HomeGoods, because I went today and they had some pretty decent finds, but they still have to kind of get things back in stock. One of the things that I found today was a sea table. It's a really pretty golden bronze color. I didn't want to do gold. It's not really my thing personally. If I do like a gold accent, I want to be able to kind of switch it up. The color overall gave me a more timeless look. Let me try to pick it up a little bit so you guys can see it. Like, it's super pretty. And the top actually looks like quartz, which is what's on top of my island right now in my closet. I think my Clean With Me should be out by now. You guys might have gotten a small glimpse of it. When I do my tour, you'll see the whole thing. But this sea table is pretty much going to slide under the section that's gonna go here. Don't ask me about the section. It's gonna be a long time before you guys see it, because you know I'm on a budget, okay? Also, I picked up this book, which is the Architect Digest at 100 A Century of Style, which this one right here was $59.99. I bought this book for one reason and one reason only. The back said featuring Barack and Michelle Obama, so I was like, yes! So I did do this book. Again, it was $60. I feel like it was worth it. The overall cover has a really nice linen feel and look to it, which I really liked. Also, because I'm going a little bit darker in certain decor pieces, I wanted to pick up lighter, neutral, natural decor pieces. So this book was a definite like yay for me. So like I said when I was doing the bookcase, I just want to find books that are going to like complement every single area of the house. That way I can kind of fluctuate the books everywhere, up, down, you know, and wherever, with the like a reshop your home. Since we're on the topic of books, let me just go ahead and jump to the rest of the books. I ended up picking up this book here. This is called The New Black Vanguard. This book was picked up from Target. Really love this book here. This is the Brown Bohemians. I love this book. When you turn inside, like all of the featured artists, craftsmen, designers in here are just like really great. It's just like a little small read on them. And this back here almost looks like a jute rug that's been like pinned up possibly and put behind her, is what it looks like. Really love the book. It's white, probably gonna get a little bit dirty just overall. I did pick this up also from Target. I'll leave these books linked down below if you guys are interested. This book right here is Supermodels, Iconic Black Women Who Revolutionized Fashion. I haven't even taken the plastic off this book. I just got it. This is going to go in my office. When I buy a book, I already have like a room in mind where I'm gonna put it, so I don't just like buy books and stuff. The ones, like I said, when I go to the Goodwill, I'm more so kind of, not always, but like 9 times out of 10, I'm like settling for a book. So when I do find a book that I really love, like I plan on actually like reading it and stuff. So these are the 4 books that I picked up. Everything else that I'm about to show you guys are all vase, okay? So this one here is super natural. It looks like a clay pot. It has the red at the bottom, and I do believe it's red all over, and they either did something to color it or whatever, simply because I accidentally kind of hit 2 of them together and it chipped, and you can see that it was still red. So I'm guessing they did some sort of coating on the outside. I have 2, all right? This one here was Babe, right? I had to kind of perch it up. It's a little heavy. This one here was definitely Babe. It wasn't Babe when I first seen it. It was on the shelf just like this. So I was walking this way and I was like, oh, it's just a plain white box. Like, I don't want to do up a whole bunch of white and then it looks like super modern or mid-century modern in the bookcase. I still wanted to give it like a transitional, traditional type of vibe. But then as I was walking, coming this way to the aisle, he had this. And I was like, yes, I love it. It is from Artisan Deluxe Home, okay? So I love this one here. I was able to snag 2. I already put them, they're the same size. They look, okay. I had it back, so you see that? Look, it's the same size. Ah! But I really do love it. It's giving me a little, you know, Restoration Hardware type vibes on it. Just, you know, the overall style. I also, you guys, I found another company that sells amazing pieces like this. Clearly, like I said, it took about 3, possibly 4 trips to find these. But if I was gonna order it online, I actually have a company that sells all of these, like just order. The next one, you guys, this is a big boy. I love this. So this is pretty much almost similar to the color that I was going for in my office. So some days the color looks green, some days the color looks blue, some days the color looks black. So you guys, let me see. On YouTube, it looks black. On Instagram, it looks green. In person, it's giving me a little brownish green black. I still love the color, especially at night, but then the green is really messing with me. So I'm thinking I may change the wall color to find a color. I know what I want the color to look like. So what I'm thinking is I'm probably going to have to purchase a color and then add pigment to it to get the color that I'm looking for. Because I'm looking for a very deep midnight, black is blue with a tiny hair of green. So maybe they can mix the same color but minus the magenta and allow me to control how much of the magenta is going to go in. I don't know, I'm just babbling right now. You probably don't understand what the heck I'm saying, but there's a 50-50 chance I may change the color of my office because I was not going for green at all. So I don't know, we'll see. Anywho, I really love this bowl. Again, you can kind of see the theme of what I'm going for. Pops of moodiness and neutral. And then I also grabbed this one here. Super cute, super pretty, really love it. I think I'm gonna go back to HomeGoods. This one here is a little too neutral. What I'm thinking about, 2 things. I can either stand them up like this and put them in the bookcase, which would be really pretty. Or the next thing that I was thinking is to take this book, because the coffee table that I'm getting, it's a natural wood, but then the inside has been lacquered white. So it's natural wood on the outside, lacquered white on the inside. So I was gonna do this book along with this on the table, which I think is gonna be really pretty. But then again, I have so much room on my bookcase that I have to fill that I was like, man, if I can put this, you know, in the bookcase, I might be able to do that. So I may put these in the bookcase and still put them on the coffee table, because standing up and sitting down, like, they just look really different. But these were from HomeGoods. These were $24.99 a piece, and I really love them. They're super big, super gorgeous. Like, I really love them. And even the color, how it tears off into like my colors, golds, then it kind of breaks into the orange. You have the purples, you have the neutrals, you get the blues, you get the grays, and then the neutrals just kind of peeking all around. Like, the color is my color palette, like 100%. I feel like I got some really great pieces. And then these were $4.99. I thought they were cute, just as little, kind of like a bookend, but not so much. Like, I can put all these books on the bookcase and then just kind of pop this on top, just as like a little small, simple little thing on there. And it has like a pop of gold, still neutral. And, you know, like I said, it was $14.99. These books here, I don't really remember how much they were from Target. I think all 3 came to like 80 bucks. For me personally, because I know that I wanted these books, it wasn't like a big thing for me to get them, because I know, like, I saved a lot going into like Five Below, going into the Goodwill. So I kind of splurged a little bit more on these. The last thing that I'm going to share with you guys is the rug that I'm currently sitting on. You guys, I so love this rug. This rug is from a company called Loloi. So I actually worked with Loloi in the past, and I even went into the showroom and I was able to touch and feel all the rugs. And because I was able to not only see but touch the rugs. When I went into HomeGoods and I was just passing, and my hand landed on it, I could feel through the thickness, I was like, oh, this is a good rug. And then when I pulled it back, I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. I wanted a dark, smoky, moody style rug, but I didn't want to go all the way like black or all the way anything, just because right now I'm kind of feeling the dark tones and stuff, but I didn't want my house to be too dark, and then if I'm changing something, I gotta change everything. This rug retails online for $1,200, which is currently on High Fashion Home, and I was able to snag this beauty for only $2.99 at HomeGoods. This was a steal, you guys, a steal. So of course I had to bring it here. The size is an 8x10, which I do feel like is perfect. Just the front legs of the section is going to go on there. I think a 9x12 would have been a little bit too big for the space, so the 8x10 is perfect. I already have an idea how things are going to get styled in here, so it's going to work out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's haul. It was really, really exciting. I think I found some really, really great things. Again, keep in mind, things are gonna be moving real slow, honey, slow. Things are gonna be moving really, really slow. As of right now, the rooms that I'm saying are gonna be like 100% completely done. No more tweaking, no more adding, no more anything. It's going to be like the laundry room, my office, and my closet. So Mel gifted me a housewarming present, so I'm going to be able to finish that space in there. Fash sent me some cleaning things. Listen, I'm all about the essentials right now. She bought me Caldrea, plunger, plugins, which was like the perfect care package when someone is moving in. I think I did a video on that. So most of the items that I kind of mentioned in that video, like she gifted to me, which was so amazing. So thank you so very much. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Like I said before, the process is going to be a little slow, but I do feel like the end result is going to be worth the wait for sure. But that is pretty much it for the haul today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. As always, have a really, really great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.